Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Nadula Hair. However, this is from their Amazon store, okay? So this is an Amazon wig, you guys. I actually have the 13x4 lace front wig. This is a chocolate brown hair color with blonde highlights, and this is a body wave texture. I have it in 24 inches and in 150% density. Now this particular wig does come with a pre-plucked natural hairline, and she is absolutely gorgeous. So let's go ahead and jump right on into the tutorial. As always, I'm gonna give you guys a quick unboxing and show you everything that came along with the wig in itself. Now, as far as this being an Amazon storefront, they definitely put a lot of different goodies in there. So here is the wig here. Once again, this is a chocolate brown hair color. Looks almost black, you guys, but it's not actually like a 1B or a jet black type color. So this is technically a chocolate brown hair color. Again, it does have the blonde highlights, and this is a full-on 13x4 lace frontal. And once again, I have it in 24 inches and in 150% density. It does come with the 3 different combs inside of the wig cap, as well as the adjustable elastic band. And as I'm showing you guys the inside of the wig cap, I really want you to pay attention to that lace. They do bleach the lace for you, so those knots are already finished and done for you. They are like super invisible, which is why you could kind of see right through the lace in itself. The lace was also super thin, which makes for a very easy melt. So the first thing that you want to do is just add some foundation all over that lace, just to make sure that the lace in itself matches your skin color as best as possible. So this is what my lace is looking like now. So I'm gonna go ahead and just throw the wig on. Now the first thing that I like to do is see if I need to adjust the wig cap in any way possible. And all I had to do was tighten it just a little bit more using the elastic band, and she was a very good fit. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and get all of the hair away from the lace just so I can really see what she is looking like. So I'm gonna use my wax stick and my rat tail comb to do so. And you guys will be able to see how beautiful that pre-plucked natural hairline is. They did a really good job. Now, if you actually prefer to pluck a little bit more, you are more than welcome to. Everybody has their preference, but I was completely happy with what they did. So now I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all that additional lace that I no longer need. I start with my ears first, like around my ears, and then once I'm comfortable with that, I go ahead and I get rid of all the additional lace that is in the front. So the scissors that I'm using actually have like these little waves in it, and I feel like that's best when it comes to cutting your lace. If you are using just a regular pair of straight scissors and you cut your lace, it can look very blunt and it makes the wig look almost too noticeable. So if you do have like a regular pair of straight scissors, then just cut in a zigzag motion, or you could buy the scissors that I'm using, which already has the little curves in it. Now you guys know I do not use glue, so I will be going in with my lace melting spray. This is an adhesive. I like to use this because it's sensitive on my skin, and it's also sensitive when it comes to my edges as well. So this is a really good product for me to use. I also do not keep my wigs on for like more than a couple of hours, to be honest with you guys. So this product works great for me. They do have stronger adhesive sprays, so depending on how long you like to keep your wigs on and how tight you need the hole to be, that's completely up to you. But I like to just go in with my melting spray, and I use that all over my forehead, and then once it gets tacky, I just lay the lace down. As you guys can see, this lace is melting beautifully. I told you guys this lace was super thin, which makes for a very quick and easy melt. So I went ahead and I put the hair up, and I'm just gonna go in with one more round of lace melting spray just to make sure everything is super secure. If you're wondering why I have those 2 pieces of hair on each side by my ears, it's because my sideburns are very noticeable. I do not have like little itty bitty sideburns, and I don't want them to show, so I like to use the hair on the wigs to make sure that I cover them up in the most natural ways possible. Now I'm going to go in with my elastic band and just let the lace melt. I left it on there for about a good 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, that elastic band is off and this lace is looking so pretty, you guys. However, I am going to dab a little bit more foundation right at the edges there just to make sure everything is blended in seamlessly, especially with my makeup. And then also the lace on this wig was like a little transparent, so the color is not 100% perfect, so adding a little bit more foundation was necessary. Giving you guys a close-up as always. This lace looks so pretty. So now it's time to move forward with the styling. Now I was not sure exactly what I wanted to do with this wig, you guys. I was tempted to do a middle part because she was already defined in the middle, but I was like, a side part would look pretty too. I didn't want to do a half up half down because it's only a 13x4 and I feel like half up half downs look better with 13x6s. So I'm like, okay, I think I want to go in with a side part and I want to show as much volume as I can with this wig, because even though she was 150% density, she was actually kind of full, at least in my personal opinion. So I decided to stick with the side part and I wanted to give me some like bombshell, like loose type curls, and I didn't want the top of the wig to be super flat. I kind of wanted that little bump there, you know what I mean? I don't know how to explain it, but you guys will see the final outlook. So just to define the part, I went in with my wax stick and my hot comb to make sure everything would stay in place. So this is pretty much how I want the wig to lay. So I'm going to go ahead and add a lighter foundation in the parting area. I'm going in with a lighter foundation this time because your scalp is a lot lighter than your natural skin tone. So this is what the hairline is looking like now, and as you guys can see, she is so pretty. So I curled one side off camera. Look how beautiful those curls came out. This hair has a very nice natural shine to it, which is great, and I think that my products just added to that, which is, you know, I'm not complaining about that. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side with you guys. I'm going to add some holding spray and make sure I brush that thoroughly, and then of course I'm gonna go section by section with my wax stick to help with the flyaways, and then I'm gonna use my curling wand per usual. Now my wax stick does not make the hair stiff or anything like that, so that's the reason why I like to abuse it majority of the times. This wig did have a lot of flyaways. That's the only negative thing that I could say about it, so I did have to use my wax stick on each piece before I curled it, but other than that I did not have any complaints, you guys. This wig particularly did not have crazy amounts of shedding or tangling or anything like that. She was very soft to the touch, very silky, and just beautiful all the way around. The curls on this wig just look so pretty, you guys, and hopefully you kind of see the hairstyle that I was going for. I really just wanted to show off that lace, honestly. That lace was just so pretty to me, I just couldn't help it. So once everything was set in place, I did go ahead and use my fingers to comb through the curls, and then I did use my Denman brush as well just to kind of give me a looser body wave effect. But now that I'm looking at it, I feel like I should have just left it alone after I went ahead and finger combed it, because I love the way the curls looked when I did that. The brush kind of just gives you a more looser and effortless and less defined type of curls. So let me know which one you guys would actually prefer. Either way, both of them looked great, and I feel like after I used the brush, you really got to see the volume of the hair. Now, although this wig is from Nadula's Amazon storefront, I do feel like this wig was of really great quality, and this one is only about $200, so I do think you're getting a great value for your money. But that is all for today's tutorial. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this wig, and of course the final style. Also let me know if you prefer the tighter curls or the looser curls when it comes to this body wave type look that we are going for. But I will have all of the additional information, including the direct link to this wig, in my description box, so make sure you guys check it out. Thank you so much for tuning in. Shout out to Nadula Hair, shout out to Amazon, and I will see you guys next time.